Hi guys, welcome to the GEBT, Guangzhou Electrical Building Technology, and welcome to GVS booth. Booth number is C20. First, we can take a look about these touch panels. Yes, GVS to make life smart and smart simple. Now, here's the collections of different touch screens. As you can see, there are different sizes from the 30-inch to 10-inch, 7-inch, different models, and 3-inch, and also the outdoor station. They have got the awards from Red Dot and other awards. Okay, this is the collections of GVS touchscreen. Now get inside. From here is different kinds of switches and touch screens. First, let's take a look about this 55mm series push buttons and thermostat. So you can see we have a full series of 55mm series. From the thermostat, the push button, different color. This is another series. It's especially for hotel. For hotel, we have the power socket, and this thermostat panel, and the switches. This series is especially for hotel. Now we can see this is another series. This is especially for the real estate. This kind of project. We have the full series of screen with the thermostat, the push button. Okay, and now we go to the typical KNX touch panel. It's very classical touch panel, V50S and V40S. It's a 5-inch touch screen, have black and white color, and the functions is also very powerful with built-in temperature sensor, proximity sensor, and can do the central control for switch, lighting, curtain, air conditioning, scenario control, and also the HCL function. Okay, let's get to the next one. Next one is a very popular model. It's a Waltz series. The Waltz series, we can have this touch pad. I mean, with the 3-inch touch screen and with the push button. We have different colors. White color, gray color, silver color, black color, and also gold color. This one is the new one. It's a new thermostat panel. So you can control by rotate or by these buttons. Okay, that's for the Waltz series. Now let's turn around and take a look about this new series, S series. And the first one is this one. It's the 3-inch touch screen with 3 physical push buttons. Okay, it's very small, but it's also very powerful. I mean, the functions is not only for central controls from home, but also can be used as the SIP intercom function. Okay, and it's also with the built-in application server, so it means you can also control by the smartphone for application control. And the same series, we also have this 7-inch. For the 7-inch, we have different models. The basic model is only touch screen, and the extension can be with the buttons, the push button, 4 buttons, different material. This is glass material and also can have the metal material. And another one, the extension can be with the rotate. You can control by rotating with this knob. And this knob, you can see black and white color, and there's built-in the camera. So you can switch on the camera or turn off the camera. It's the option. Okay, now let's get to the big ones. So that's the 3-inch and 7-inch. Now we also have the 30-inch and 10-inch. So this screen have the similar universal interface as the 7-inch. The size is very big and can be used in a big area. especially for central control. Okay, so this is the collections of the switches and screens. Now we can get to the intercom. Okay, that's the video intercom. So for video intercom, we have different series from H series, S series, T series, and SD series. So for H series, it's typical TCP/IP video intercom. You can see all these models. This one is for the building, for the big apartment, and this outdoor station is especially for villa. So you can call from the outdoor station to the indoor station, and also have the functions like the cloud intercom, so you can also answer the call from your application. It also have the face recognition function, and also it can connect with the IP camera and also can control the lift. Next one is the new series, SIP series. For this series, have a similar function with this one, but it can support the standard SIP protocol. Okay, so you can also combine with different brands if it is safe. So the functions are similar, villa and building. Next is T series, is analog 2-wire system. 2-wire, the wiring just use 2-wire, different with this one. This use the Cat5 cable. And this is the typical models from the outdoor station to the indoor station, from 4.3 inch to the 5 inch. Okay, it can also support the 2ER cloud intercom. And this is digital 2-wire series. This one, the difference from this one to this typical analog is it also can support the digital. I mean, the outdoor station can connect with the internet by the Cat5 cable. So in some projects, it is quite useful if you use 2-wire for the connecting to indoor station, and for the outdoor station we connect by internet. So this is digital, so you can support the higher resolution, can be 720 pixel HD video. Okay, so it can be used in some small to medium buildings. Okay, that's for intercom. Now let's get to the smart hospital solution. For smart hospital solution, as you can see, especially we have the word code display system. So you can use the this audio extension to call to the guide station, so the nurse can know which patient is calling to the nurse. They need the help. Okay, so the communication is based on the intercom. That's the full solution for the hospital. Okay, now let's get to the smart building and commercial spaces. For smart building, there's all kinds of building projects. Now, the first one, it can be used in the rail transit solution. I mean, in some metro station, airport, it can also be used with KNX. So you can control the lightings, all kinds of lightings. Like in the big buildings, we normally use the daily lights. And you can also control by the visualization software, and also can connect with BAS system. So it can be used in these big projects. Now, it can also be used in the commercial chain store, this kind of projects, because in some typical stores like the cars or some famous brands, they can use KNX to make a good showroom in the store. So normally you can control with different type of switches or the screens, and also you can use this KNX 2ER ZigBee gateway, so it can use the wiring KNX with the wireless system together in the same project to have a very useful functions. For example, to control the lightings, curtain, air conditioning, and other wireless flexible items. Okay, that's next. We can also control the headquarters in very big offices. So we use KNX. We can fulfill the values like the green, well, and secure. Okay, we can also use this software to monitor the whole building, how it works. So basically, we can control this part of the building, firstly, we can use a smart control terminal, like different screens from small and big for the central control, and also to control the lighting. For the lighting, we can also control different brightness and the color, and also to use the sensors for the smart control, presence and PIR. And we can also use different modules like the switching, dimming, daily for the lightings. And in the end, we have to make the space comfortable. So we can use different sensors and different kind of modules to make the space more comfortable. Firstly, we can use air quality sensor or weather station to make the environment to fix in the proper temperature, humidity, and CO2 index, and also PM 2.5, etc. to make a comfortable environment. And also it can connect with the access control system. So you can also use the intercom system in the same building, and also you can connect to the security system. So with this system, you can use the central management platform, and also can achieve the more powerful control capacities and have more interactive capacities. Okay, that's the solution for the headquarters of this big building. Now let's take a look about this side. For KNX, it can also use in the high-end residential projects. For example, for this high-end residential solution, with KNX, it's very stable, and also it can extend with very powerful functions, and also to make sure the family is very stable and secure. And also we have solutions to connect the KNX wiring to the wireless solutions, so it's stable and flexible. This is a smart lighting, so we can use different models, different components like sensors and control panels to control the lightings. For lighting, to control the on-off, dimming, and also use the sensor to automatically control the lights, and also to make the scene control. So next one, it can be the environment management. So we can use all kinds of sensors like the air quality sensor to detect the temperature, humidity, and CO2 temperature for this area to make the comfortable space in the home. And also we bring a new concept, SIP plus KNX. SIP is also a standard protocol for the communication. KNX is standard for the smart home. So we use two standards in one system to make the home more secure. So this is a safe outdoor station. This is for building, this is for villa. So you can call to the room. You can choose to open the gates, and also you can talk. Okay, this is for the home security. Now we also have a special solution for remote control system. For remote control, we can use this gateway, and this gateway can connect with GVS smart application. But it's also multifunction. Multifunction means it can also connect with IS-45 protocols and some dry contact. So you can use this application for the control for that application, and also connect to the voices. For example, you can use the Google Assistant or the Alexa, the voice speaker, to control the KNX system. Okay. Next is the M+O Fusion solution. It's a solution for, we also call it M+O, means to connect KNX wiring system with the wireless ZigBee system. So for any 2-ear-based ZigBee devices, it can be connected with KNX. So in some projects, it's quite useful because when the wiring is not easily to be made after we finish the KNX projects, we can use this gateway for the solution to have more flexible functions to meet with the demands of the user. And another device is also a special solution from GVS. It is used for remote operation and programming. With this gateway, you can remotely get access to the project's KNX system. So you don't have to go to the site, and also it can be used to manage to different kinds of projects. It's quite useful for the engineers. And next one is the new series. Is for bulk real estate solution, especially for apartments. This solution is different with typical KNX installation. The difference is you can see from here. The wiring, the high power wiring, the lighting circuits will go directly from the panel. Will be same with the traditional way. Will be different with that typical KNX installation. So with this, we can also have these modules. For example, to control the dimming and the switching. So with these small modules, we can make it easily to put into the area of the switches. So in some cases, this way is more easier to, especially for the apartment. Okay, so that's the solution. And we can also see this board. This is to show that GVS have 29 KNX items. That means with KNX Secure. Secure is getting more and more important. So we will have more products to meet with KNX Secure. So for now, we are the #1 in China to have the numbers of KNX devices, and #6 worldwide. Okay, so basically that's the solutions that GVS have in this booth. And thank you for watching this video, and welcome to contact with GVS. And we are ready to answer all your questions, and hopefully we can work together. Thank you.